So I took apart the engine, and it was hard starting, and because it was so hard starting, it actually burned up the first starter. So I took apart the engine, took the spark plug out, and it turned really easy, and the starter works great. But this valve rocker is busted, and that was causing it not to be able to relieve the compression from the cylinder. And it was because it was completely full of crap in here. Overheating, probably. So I'm cleaning it all up. Replace that rocker, starter. It should run like a champ.